Evening, folks. Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. Today I'm going to be working on a pen one of the girls I work with wanted, and something a little different, something I've never worked with before. Or, well, I have, but I didn't get a video, and so it's something you've never seen me work with before. But let me get over here and get you in the stand, and we'll get started. Alright, sorry about the delay. We had to wait on Norfolk Southern to get through, make their point. What we've got is spectraply. It's essentially, it's kind of like plywood, except plywood, the grains run opposite direction on the layers. This here, the grain runs all the same direction, and it's dyed pink and blue in this case. This particular combination is called cotton candy. I don't know if you can see that or not, or I'm sure you can, but and I got this from woodturnings.com, and we're going to see how poorly I done on drilling it, which I can tell you it's pretty poor, but we're going to get it fired up and see what we can do. I did manage to sharpen the old skew up and sharpen this one up too. We're going to see what we can do with them. Hopefully we don't scatter it across the room, but as everything on this channel, anything's possible. Let's see what we can do. Tighten that up a little bit. This small one up here. A little more speed on that. I don't know if a skew's the most versatile tool that you can use on a lathe, but you can use them for just about anything. They're very, very versatile. If we're sharpening at a good angle. That one there I need to do a little work on, I believe. I do not like using that big skew. Throws me off a little bit. If you're just getting into wood turning, this is one tool I would suggest just throwing some scrap in a lathe, chuck it up, and practice, play with it. You'd be amazed at the things you can do with them. I'm not real good with the skew. I have used it. I can use it a little bit. You guys have saw me use it a little, but I'm nowhere near the greatest. And there's a lot of turners out there that's a lot better than I am. With all tools, I'm a half-ass most days at best. You get them guys though that really know what they're doing with one of these, they can lay a cut on a piece of wood that you don't even have to sand. In case you're wondering, I'm not one of those people. I barely know what it's called. case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm writing what grit paper I'm using. That way when I lay it down over here and it gets knocked off by the squirrels who insist on trying to live in my wood shop, and I pick it up out of the floor, I know what it is. It's only took me a couple of months to figure out, you know, hey, I need to do that. Nobody ever said I was the sharpest tool in this shed. Yeah, I'll see what we look like. Slicker than snot on a doorknob. See if we can find us a little friction polish. And possibly a rag. I know I used to have some up here. There's some squirrels up here to make a nest with somewhere. Hopefully I can tear this. I don't have a knife with me. But I do have a skew. It's sharp. So we'll use it. Make the friction polish up a little bit. A little touch of wax on that. Maybe solidify it a little bit, because I know Princess Peach is going to put this to use. One of my jobs, the job that I'm making this, the girl I work with at that job, I have professional shoppers that go around and do your shopping. They'll fill out your order online, and they go around and do your shopping for you, and you come in there and pick it up, you know, when you get off work, whatever. And they call them go-kart, because, you know, one of the ladies was talking about, you know, she told me her name, which I don't remember, and if I did, I wouldn't mention it, just out of respect. But anyway, they told me her name. She said most people just call me stupid go-kart, and so my thought was Mario Kart, and so I call her Mario. And we've got a Luigi and a Princess Peach, because all of them do that, and there's probably others, but I haven't worked with them yet, so I only do that job on the weekends. But let's get this thing over the press and get it put together, and I'll show you the final results. Alright folks, we got it together. It looks really nice, I think, and I believe Princess Peach will be happy with it. If not, she can make it herself next time. I'm that easy to get along with. But anyway, if you've enjoyed this, you feel like you've learned something, like and subscribe, tell your friends. And as always, actually, while we're on the subject of liking and subscribing, I was looking at the analytics earlier, and like 89% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So, you know, help me out a little bit here. I'm trying to get this to kind of support itself maybe, and so far it's not doing that. But anyway, always thanks for your time, and we'll see you on the next one.